Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, we want to show you how you can log into your BambooHR employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, head towards your default browser where you are comfortable, and in the above search bar, you just type in BambooHR employee login. After that, you will head towards this type of interface where you can find different types of links in the search results. Click the first link in the search results and you will be advanced towards this type of interface. This will ask you for your company domain. After you put your domain, you can just click continue, and after that you will be asked your password. Remember your password and type in, and you are logged into your Bamboo HR employee account. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.